navigate to the chapter 1 once again here where we go. When we go to application software, we go to general section, number 1. Remember here where that was the movie how to use the platforms. We're using the lynda.com, the Microsoft Office Online, and so on and so forth. That's supposed to be watched after, working with the movie, which is about the, if you remember from the Lynda, it was the movie about educator. So we spoke that after watching the movie, you have everybody has subscription for this. So after watching this movie, eventually, you could watch the first one into the cloud section, which basically will show it to you the same thing a little bit more into the perspective we're going to use in our class. And now is the time for the assignment. Here it is, assignment 1. Now, you're not going to be able to open it. Well, you will be able actually to open it. When you click proceed with the test here, how the assignment looks like. So you're going to read it. So it says create the following screenshots and then send them to your instructor using the image feature. So what I want you guys to do is to open your free BanQu account, as I did here, this one, and I want to see this page. I would like to see this page, guys. So I would like you to make a screenshot of this page. Now I will do it with using the snipping tool. Here it is. That's on the top. I'll move it on that side. I'll click new. By default, it will be a rectangular snip. So you're gonna make you will make a screenshot like this. Okay. Where I could see your username or your student ID, whatever it is. Then you're going to save it. In my case, I'm going to save it on my desktop. And I'm going to save it BanQu. Lynda. Okay, and the next thing you need to do is with this one, you guys actually, this one you actually will import inside the inside this block. So how you're gonna do it? You see this small, if you hover over it, it says images. You will click on the image. It will ask you for URL. You don't have a URL yet. You need to click on the server, so browse the server. Then you need to create your username. So right click and create your username. So you're going to create new folder. And you're going to call it with your user ID, like the student ID. So let's pretend that's mine. Then you're going to click twice to enter this folder, like me. And then you're just going to drag and drop this picture inside. Now what I'm showing you, I'm not really sure though, you're going to be able to create here in the application software. Actually, you could be able here in my files to create. Maybe, I'm not sure. In one of these folders, you will be able to create this subfolder. The other one won't allow you, so just use it wherever it's allowing you to create it. So then, as I said, you just drag and drop this image here, and then you just click twice on it. It will appear as you see here. You could enlarge it a little bit and see what it is. There it is. It shows exactly what I did. Okay, and after this, for the text here, you could say my BanQu Lynda, and then you say OK, and it will appear here. Okay, so the next thing you do is your Office.com account. The same way you're gonna make a copy of your Office account. As they see, be sure your usernames are clearly visible. So you need to make sure that somebody will be able to see your username, like I'm showing at the moment. That's my Office. So you make a screenshot of all of this, and you just send it to me the same way I did it, right? So you're gonna click again here. You're gonna copy and paste this, and it will be done the same way. So once you're done, don't forget to click Save and Continue. If you see here, not on the left side here, if you see here a blue disk, instead of this blue diskette, a red cross or something red, that means meanwhile you've been logged off of the program. What you need to do, just save what you're doing here. Then click here, go on the top, log out, and log in back. That's all. Okay? So go back here. At any time you could replace the thing, you could insert additional thing, and you could save again. So let me open this assignment again. You see, wherever I enter, it's already here. So I could save and continue something more. I could put here, and I could say something like this, you see? And then I could save and continue again. Then you do the next steps. Follow the steps below. Log into school's Microsoft account on your browser. Access the school's OneDrive and create a text file. Here it is. This is your Office account. It's office.com, and you log in with your user ID, SW on Microsoft.com. Then you right-click and you open this on the separate tab, and it will be open like this. Now you see mine, because I have folders here. For you, most probably there will be nothing. Okay. So the next thing what is set is install the OneDrive program on your PC. So you could download it from here. You could download the OneDrive, and afterwards you could open, let me open it for myself here. You could open it here how it looks, OneDrive personal. Well, that's my personal drive. But after you adding your school drive here, you're going to see all of the attachments and all the pictures which are here. And as well as soon as you do this, an icon here on the top will appear, which will be somewhere here, this one. And right click on this icon, and you could go to settings. And of course, you could do some things here, how to synchronize and what to do. You're going to look for this. If you have any questions, Google is there. You will find out all the, it's not very big. You're going to see how exactly and what to do. Okay, and afterwards you will be able to synchronize wherever you create here with your local, and wherever you create in your local drive with this one here. That's what this exercise is actually asking you for. Make OneDrive persistent to synchronize with your computer's OneDrive. On the computer's OneDrive, create folder test1 and synchronize in OneDrive Online. Send screenshots to the teacher using image, the same thing. Here's the image, just send the screenshot here, save and continue, and you're done. The next, follow the steps below. In your Outlook 365, that's this one. Here it is, Outlook 365. If you don't see it, it will be in all applications. You will find it out below. Let me see. Now, if you don't have Outlook, you will open the Hotmail. You will open the Hotmail, and you're going to log in into the Hotmail. So opening the Hotmail will be very easy. You will create an account in Hotmail, but you need to check your account. I'm pretty sure you have Outlook there. So if you don't have one, what you will do, you could just open and create a Hotmail account. So create a simple Hotmail account. Here it is, Hotmail. Or it's nowadays it's called Outlook.com. Okay, you'll go there. You will create a new one, which is here, create one. You will follow what they say, and afterwards, once this account is created, you will go there and you will see how to add your Gmail account. If you don't have one, you need to create one as well. And also, I would like you to send me a screenshot using the image feature again, so me to see that is your account. It's supposed to be written somewhere on the top, that is your account, like here. Okay, you're gonna find it where it is, and you're gonna put it there, and then you're gonna save and continue. And the last one is to create your LinkedIn account by following the guidance from the below link. This is the link. You right click and open it on a separate. Here, what you need to read and what you need to follow. Now, keep in mind when you're creating it, I would like you guys to put your real CV there. So I would like this to be when I receive the links, which actually it says here, you need to send me the links to your LinkedIn. When I receive the link, I would like to read what did you do before, and what are you planning to do, as it's supposed to be with your LinkedIn profile, really. Now, I don't want this to be 10 pages. I want to be 1 page, of course, but I would like to be the real thing. So you guys to start using this LinkedIn account right away. You could log in. You could use for it either your Gmail account. You could use the Hotmail account you're gonna create if you need to, whatever you decide. Now, how you're gonna embed the link from LinkedIn? Well, here it is. Next to the picture, to the image tool, there is one which is called link. You click on the link. You put the text, my LinkedIn account. You copy, well, in my case, I'm just gonna copy something randomly. You're gonna copy your LinkedIn account here. You're gonna put it in URL. You're gonna say, okay, and I'm gonna say it like this. And then you're gonna save and continue. When I receive it, I could click on it and I could see thing. I'm not gonna accept anything received by the Dropbox. Everything's supposed to be done here, as I show. Okay. Now this thing is set it up to be automatically to shuts down 11:59 p.m. this night. So, well, I'm pretty sure 2 hours you have to the end of the class, or I mean, yeah, 1 hour and a little bit maybe you have, will be enough to finish, I would say, 90% of the thing. But be sure if you are a little bit late, this one will help you out, guys, to finish it to the end of the night. And you're gonna send it to me by clicking save, and at the end of the test. Once again, if you see anything else than blue diskette, just save what you have already here, somewhere else, somewhere on your desktop or something else, and then log out of the TCFP, log in back again, and you're gonna be able to save it. Wherever you're gonna miss here, because you're gonna miss some stuff, just copy and paste back from your desktop. It's a very simple exercise. Normally it's done. You could do it for less than half an hour. I'm giving you until the end of the day. Okay, I'll stop now the movie, and in